let's first break this agentic AI into components. Agentic AI needs tools or skills. So those tools are going to be pretty much what the agent is capable of doing. So we have the tools, we have memory. Memory is divided into short-term memory and long-term memory. Long-term memory is that data that is coming from SAP. Short-term memory is more about how you interact with the agent itself. So I'm pretty sure that even though both of us agent are using Gemini or ChatGPT, we interact in different ways because we have different
Sure.
lives and different needs in accessing data. So that short memory is going to be pretty much the way that you interact with the agent. Long-term memory is all of this data, all of these real-time data that we're getting out of SAP into a database. So we have the tools that are the skills, what the agent is capable of doing. We have the memory that is divided into short-term memory, long-term memory, and we need something else that is the context. If I say hot dog is not a dog that is hot,
Right.
it's a food, right?
Right.
We're not, because we know the context. Now we have learned to, every time that we heard something, to pretty much go to our brain, get some context, and then get the picture of it. If I say hot dog, you're going to imagine food, you're going to visualize the food, and not a dog that is in flames.
Right.
So our agents also need context. And that is what is going to ground them, because we don't want those agents to hallucinate. So that element is extremely important. So now let's recapitulate, because we have 4 ingredients to have a successful agent. 1 is the skills, the tools. 2 is the short-term memory. That is basically the way that you interact with the agent itself. 3, the long-term memory. That is the data that is, that you're generating in your business into your day-to-day operations. Then number 4 is the context. So basically, this context, this semantic context, is what we are calling this agentic semantic knowledge, or ask for sure.
Yep.
So we're solving
Yep.
those 2 problems. Grounding, basically, we have all of these because we have the data products from SAP. We know that the delivery is tied to a sales order, and then an invoice, and then a payment, and a customer, and materials, products, those kind of things. So we have that graph semantic knowledge. So that graph semantic knowledge is inside basically this agentic semantic knowledge. So that agentic semantic knowledge is connected to the data modeler. So when you pretty much customize those data products, one of the questions that you asked me was, how do you add those custom tables, custom fields to make them available?
Right.
We use the data modeler. So inside the data modeler, you have all of the different data products from SAP, and then we use that rich semantic layer for agentic AI. So basically, we have 2 components. One connect, hyper-connected data products to move data in real time from SAP to other data repositories, and
Uh-huh.
ask, agentic semantic knowledge. That is the
Right.
second component that is going to give the agents, whatever agents, it can be agents from Azure, AWS, you name it. And we're providing that grounding, that semantic knowledge to make agentic AI not to hallucinate.